What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I want to show you how to create a Shopify account. So this is their official site, and at the top you have the option to log in. So click on login. Good, now scroll down, and at the bottom as you can see here, you have new to Shopify, and click on get started in order for you to create your account. And you have different options in which way you can create your account. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create your account with email. So I'm gonna click continue with email. Good, now add your email. Good, now add your first name, then add your last name. Good, now create a password. Confirm the password and click on create Shopify ID. Okay, as you can see, the account has been created. Now click on create store, and they say here you need to verify your email address before you can create another store. So they're gonna send you a verification email. All you have to do is click on it, and then you can begin to create your first business, I guess. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.